Hello everyone. Welcome to this online course on Google Data Studio. My name is Prince Patni and let's start together in this journey where we will be looking at this one of the most powerful cloud-based free business intelligence tool in the industry. This course is recommended for everyone who would like to create interactive dashboards with stunning visualizations, all in cloud, with the power and reliability of Google. Let's get started. As we know that businesses today deal with a large amount of data and information, but the problem is that this data is in raw format. The business intelligence tools like Google Data Studio helps format and present this data in such a way that it helps the organizations in taking smart business decisions. All the businesses are moving from intuition based decision making to such data based decision making. If you are planning to launch your career as a BI professional, then this is definitely the best decision you're making this year, as BI is trending like anything, making it a holy grail for various aspirants. You can be a business intelligence analyst, a developer, a consultant, a project manager, or an administrator. The world has realized the power of BI, and now it is used in almost all the industries like software, healthcare, retail, government, etc. This scope is going to get expanded in the not so distant future for sure. Hence, entering this domain will be a solid step towards your success. Let's have a look at the course features. The course is beginner friendly. Anybody can immediately start learning. No coding expertise needed. This course can be completed in hardly 2 days. And you will also get a certificate of completion from Udemy. Also, if you have any doubts, make sure that you send it across in the feedback section or in the comment section, and we will be personally solving all your doubts. Course content. What do we expect to learn from this course? The basics of Google Data Studio, the ways to connect to various data sets, creating all possible chart types in Google Data Studio, including community visualizations that are JavaScript based charts, create interactive and feature rich reports, and many advanced features like data blending and a lot more. Finally, we also learn some dashboard design principles and the best practices to make your Google Data Studio report interactive, effective, dynamic, and powerful. Who are the target course audience? Any business intelligence enthusiasts who want to learn Google Data Studio. Any individuals or organizations having their own website. Working professionals looking to learn a new powerful tool for dashboard development and data visualization. And lastly, students who want to enter the field of data analytics or business intelligence. By learning this course, you will be all set to create some exciting dashboards like this, some cool dashboards like this, and some really useful and powerful dashboards like this. So guys, I'm sure you are as excited as me to start learning Google Data Studio and create some beautiful and feature-rich reports. Feel free to have a look at the course description and contents, and I look forward to see you in the course. Thank you.